Hello everyone, welcome you once again to our channel EduSci. Our today's topic is working with indices. It's a Cambridge Mathematics stage 8 and 9. So these are some important points. It can be called as 3 to the power 4. Therefore is called index. The plural of index is called indices. So these are some parts and these are the corresponding values. 3 raised to power minus 4, the value of 3 raised to power minus 4 is 1 upon 81. 3 raised to power minus 3, the value is 1 upon 27. Minus 2, 1 upon 9. 3 raised to power minus 1, 1 upon 3. 3 raised to power 0, 1. 3 raised to power 1, 3. 3 raised to power 2, 9, and 3 raised to power 3, 27. So look at here, 3 raised to power 3, 27, and 3 raised to power minus 3, 1 upon 27. Same way, 3 raised to power 2, 9, 3 raised to power minus 2, 1 upon 9, 3 raised to power 1, 3, and 3 raised to power minus 1, 1 upon 3. That means if the term is having negative power, that is the reciprocal of the value of the positive part. 3 raised to power 0, 1. Something part 0 means the value is 1. Now let's do some examples. Write in fraction. 5 raised to power minus 1 can be written as 1 upon 5 raised to power 1. That means 1 upon 5. Same way, 5 raised to power minus 3. First we will write down in the positive part. That means 1 upon 5 raised to power 3. 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5, which is equal to 1 upon 125. 5 raised to power 0. Something power 0 is 1. Now, example number 2. Write down the following term as a single term. So 2 raised to power 0, 1. 2 raised to power minus 1, that is 1 upon 2. 2 raised to power minus 2, that is 1 upon 2 square, and 2 remains same. So 1 upon 2 plus 2 square means 4. Now we have to write down this as a single term. So let's take LCM. LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. So 4 multiplied by 1, 4. 4 divided by 2, 2. And 2 multiplied by 1, 2. Now 4 divided by 4, 1. And 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. And 4 2s are 8. Now 4 plus 2, 6. Plus 1, 7. Plus 8, 15. So your answer is 15 upon 4. Now one more example. If 2 raised to power 10 is equal to 1024 called 1k, then write 2k as power of 2. So now 2k can be written as 2 multiplied by 1k, that is 2 multiplied by 2 raised to power 10. So 2 multiplied by 2 raised to power 10, that is 1024. 1024 multiplied by 2, that's 2048. That can be written as 2 raised to power 11. Now here are some rules of indices or exponents, we can say that. Where your base is same and parts are different, then in multiplication you need to add the parts only. Same way for the division you need to subtract the part. If two parts come together, then you have to multiply the parts. And something part 0 is equal to 1. The previous question which I have told you, 10024. That we can do in this way also. Means it was there 2 multiplied by 2 raised to power 10. There is one. Base is same, parts are different. That means you have to write down 2 raised to power 10 plus 1, that is 2 raised to power 11. On the basis of that rules, we'll do some example. Example number 1. 6 raised to power 4 multiplied by 6 raised to power 5. Let's do one more example. 2 raised to power 4 divided by 2 raised to power 5. Third one. So here base same and the sign is multiplication, so we can write down base and add the powers. That means 6 raised to power 9. Now here sign of division, bases are same. That means we have to subtract the powers. So 2 raised to power minus 1. 2 raised to power minus 1 can be written as 1 upon 2. Here 2 parts together. So we have to multiply. 4 5s are 20. So in this way you have to solve the exponent. Now let's do one more example. 2 raised to power 3 multiplied by 2 raised to power 4 over 2 raised to power 5. Here these two are in multiplication and this one is division. So what we have to do? In multiplication you have to add the power. So we'll write down 3 plus 4. And in division you have to subtract the power. So it can be written as minus 5. So 3 plus 4, 7 minus 5. 2 raised to power 2 raised to power 2. 2 raised to power 2 is equal to 4. So that is the value of this expression. I hope this is clear. So now try to solve the questions on the basis of these rules. And if you are having any query, please write down in the comment section. We'll try to solve your problems on the basis of your queries. And same thing, I want to repeat that please subscribe the channel if you haven't subscribed it yet. Thank you.